A society should be based upon how they honor their dead.
We are at the Hebrew or the Jewish cemetery, depending on what year, established in 1862 here in Virginia City. Sometime in the late 1960s, two guys from Reno came up and shot up all the headstones. There's a lot of suspicion it was a form of a hate crime. For the last 70 years, this has just been a blank piece of land.
It was time to come out here and do what we could. We can't just arbitrarily pick a spot, you know. We have to know exactly that they're down below.
The research alone was over 100 hours. And then once that happened, we had to get the money for all the stones. There's a gentleman named Jerry Klinger, and he financed the replacement of those stones.
In Hebrew, we have a term, we formed a shidduch, like a marriage arrangement. It was an agreement between peoples that together we will do the right thing. So I said I'll fund it, she said she will do it, and we're here today.
If I could only find the words.
See, the West has something very, very special that many people don't appreciate. As you move out to the West, to the frontier, to the environment where everybody has to come together, you're measured by what you can do, by what you can contribute. There was no room on the frontier for bigotry, ignorance, and stupidity. Either we pulled together or we went down together.
They were just like everybody else. They came here to make a living. They came here to have families. There's so much emphasis on everything that was different, and the more we looked into their lives, it just turns out everything's the same.